Alright, so we all love the new iPhone Pros, but we do need a case for them, right? So BENKS reached out to me to make a video about their cases, and I'm really curious to see how these cases will fit on the iPhone 17 Pro. Anyways, let's do an unboxing together and see what's up. Alright, so BENKS did send me 4 items in the lineup of the 17 Pro, but also some extra accessories such as these magnetic phone grip. Not quite sure what these are, but I think you can just attach them on any phone basically that has MagSafe or any magnetic back end basically. But these two look very promising. The phone case armor grit and phone case armor built with Kevlar, so that looks really fine. And so here it also has this Kevlar thread which looks really cool. So it is magnetic compatible, smooth touch, lens protection, and it has an elegant design. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna unbox this. You can check out the website, but let's see how we can properly unbox this thingy. Goes from the bottom, I think. I'm not quite sure. Oh, here it is. Wow. This looks pretty damn cool, guys. This is for the 17 Pro or just the normal 17? The normal 17. Okay. We also have the normal 17 available. So we got a little like quality sticker, remove that part. And this feels good. Look at this. Built with Kevlar. Looks really cool. Let's put this on the phone. Wow, look at this, guys. This looks pretty cool, right? All the stuff here, well protected. Yes, I'm liking this, guys. Like it keeps the, the form factor really nicely. Cool. Let's do like one of these smaller accessories as well before I go with the Pro. Yeah, let's go with the black one. Magnetic phone grip. So it has a little stand and everything like that. So that also looks really cool. Opens here from the bottom. Wow. Cool. So it's basically like this, right? So you can, this is really strong, by the way. So you can put your phone like this, That's really cool. And it's very strong, actually. Like crazy strong. What, can you also use it like on older phones? You know what I mean? So this is an old one. It does work. And it's very sturdy. Ooh, I'm liking it. I am liking this, guys. Cool. That's nice, right? Put it like this. So you can use this on any MagSafe phone, I would say. 17. And this matches really nicely as well. All right. Designed by BENKS. Cool. All right, let's put this one here. Then we're going to do the 17 Pro with the bluish armor grit. So this looks also promising. So everything will be in blue. All right. Okay, cool. Let's put that to the side. Whew. Wow. Wow, this looks... I didn't expect this type of blue actually. It is a different type of blue, guys. Wow. Almost looks like greenish or something, but also like that, you know. I'm not going to do like with a knife and stuff like that, so with the nails we'll be fine. The black one as well. Yeah. Let's put it on the phone. I think I'm doing it the wrong way actually. Yep. Like that. Oh. Look at this. This looks very sleek. Doesn't feel very bulky, you know what I mean? Look how sleek it looks. Like, even when you remove this. This looks like two different phones. You know what I mean, right? It doesn't look like an iPhone anymore. Also, I'm really liking the camera protection bump. That looks really cool. All right. So, opening up this bad boy. Oh my goodness. Very blue. Very blue. And here we go. Designed by BENKS. But I'm liking this, guys. I'm really enjoying myself here. Other way around. Like so. Cool. Wow. What's this? Can you remove it? I don't know. Oh, you can use it like this. Oh! Oh man. So that's what you get for not reading things properly, you know, so that's pretty cool. So this is really nice. This is really nice. I have to say, I have to admit, guys, I didn't expect this that I would be so happy with this, you know? I was like, these are just phone cases and that's about it. But looking at them right now, man, this black one, I'm actually preferring the iPhone 17 compared to 17 Pro, just by the looks, you know? But also just how sleek it looks, like very nice. Use the thingy without a case. So this is without a case. Now that works fine. Nice. The thingy like this. Cool, right? Nice. So you can use it without a case. You have to have MagSafe, of course. Oh man, this one looks really rough. I don't know what's on it. It's sticky. It's sticky, guys. But now with this, it looks good. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Cool. So there you have it. From BENKS. Go check out the link in the description. And you know what? Let's switch back to my face just to make a proper ending. All right, guys. So thanks a lot to BENKS for sending these nice looking, like look at the blue and the black. So sleek, so nice. I'm sorry, guys. It's been a while since I've been this excited for phone cases. So bear with me. I'm also liking this like thingy that you can do with your fingers. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. If you got any questions about these cases, let me know in the comment section down below. As always, stay safe, stay happy, and good luck. Check out the link down in the description to get a bonus discount. I think it was 15% or something like that. Use the code here. I think it was Gary15. And yeah, that's it for this video. We got like, you know, I'm just having a blast with these things. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Good luck.